Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with OneFocus Property Management. And today we're taking the tour of 812 3rd Avenue in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This is a cozy 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom duplex, and I'm going to show you all the things that you're definitely going to love. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. We are starting the tour outside today, so you can take a look at the surrounding neighborhood. You do have street parking only, but as you can see, there is ample opportunities to be able to park your cars. You have some steps to come up onto the porch, and the porch is large enough to be able to put some additional furniture out here if you like. Now, when you come into the front door, you are greeted by nice little vestibule area. You've got some hooks to use for hanging. You've got a door into the room here, which we'll get to, and it gives you the ability to close things off to keep the cold out if you'd like. Now, we are coming into this first area here. This would make a great living room. And then you do have the bonus of this room here. Really nice spaces, nice natural light to be able to set up however you want to. You have this area here, which would be perfect for a dining room table and chair set, maybe even some additional furniture. And this leads you right into your galley kitchen. It has been jam-packed with cabinets. You've got a great little countertop here, some full-size appliances, and you do have access to your basement. Let me find a little basement light switch there. We're going to come down here so we can take a look at things. This is not a finished space, but you do have washer and dryer connections here. Now, washer and dryer will not be maintained by the owner. However, if you have your own machines, you can certainly slide these out of the way and then just make sure you get your machines right in there. Now we are going to go back upstairs. You have a great little back porch area that leads out to the yard. This little kind of semi-enclosed, and then you've got this little private backyard space. Now we're going to take it upstairs so we can check out all the amazing bedrooms we have up there. Coming up the steps, when you get to the top, you can go right into your bathroom here. As you can see, you've got a full-size bathtub, shower head, got a vanity, and then a little cabinet here for storage. Into the first bedroom here, this is probably, I would say, about a full-size bed. And you do have a closet with some shelves and a little hang bar there for storage. And then you've got this great little private balcony space here overlooking the backyard. Coming into the middle bedroom, this has the same style windows as downstairs, and you've got a great space here to be able to place up to a king-size bed. And you've got a closet with a hang bar and a shelf. And then coming down the hallway here into the master bedroom, again, you can do a king-size bed in here. And then you have a nice deep closet with a hang bar, shelf, and there's a ton of hooks up there as well. And then you have, last but not least, you have your attic up here. And this is strictly for storage. There's not a lot to write home about, but if you wanted to come up here, you absolutely could. But it is a very unfinished space. But as always, we like to show everything we have to offer. So after seeing this amazing place, I'm sure you're ready to make it home. So what you need to do to call this place home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listings and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour, and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office. at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website or give us a call today because we are anxious to help you make this your place.